Discover the secret to generating wealth using Google Books online. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock the hidden potential of Google Books and turn it into a money-making machine. Join me as I challenge myself to find the best strategies to make money using Google Books online. Can I really get rich from this? Leveraging Google Books for income generation is a creative and resourceful way to tap into the vast library of knowledge and literature available in the digital age. Google Books provides access to millions of books, including public domain works that are free to use and republish. This makes it an invaluable resource for entrepreneurs and creators seeking to monetize content legally and ethically. In today's digital landscape, the demand for information and accessible learning has skyrocketed. Ebooks, audiobooks, and digital courses have become mainstream, offering unprecedented opportunities to generate income. Public domain books, available through Google Books, can serve as the foundation for these ventures. By repackaging and enhancing this content, whether through modernized language, added insights, or supplementary materials, entrepreneurs can create unique, marketable products that cater to current consumer needs. This approach aligns perfectly with the low-cost, high-impact model of digital business. It requires minimal upfront investment and allows you to tap into established content with proven value. Whether you aim to publish ebooks, create digital courses, or offer audiobooks, Google Books opens the door to passive income streams while contributing to the preservation and dissemination of knowledge in the digital era. A common misconception is that making money online is exclusively for tech-savvy individuals or those with extensive writing experience. This belief stems from the early days of the internet, where technical expertise or professional writing skills were often necessary to navigate complex systems, build websites, or create content. However, the digital landscape has evolved significantly, making online income opportunities accessible to people from all backgrounds. Today, platforms and tools have simplified the process of starting and managing an online business. You no longer need advanced coding skills to create a website, as user-friendly platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Shopify handle much of the technical work. Similarly, artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT and Canva make content creation easier for those without formal writing or design training. Moreover, there are numerous online income models that require minimal technical or writing expertise. For instance, affiliate marketing focuses on promoting products rather than creating them. Print-on-demand businesses rely on pre-designed templates and automated fulfillment. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow individuals to offer services such as customer support, voiceovers, or social media management, which don't require advanced skills. The internet also caters to a wide variety of talents. For example, people with skills in crafting, cooking, or fitness can monetize their expertise through video tutorials, courses, or subscription-based memberships. Even those with no clear niche can generate income by curating and reselling products, using platforms like eBay or Amazon. Ultimately, the misconception persists because many people underestimate the accessibility and diversity of online opportunities. With the right mindset, a willingness to learn, and the use of modern tools, almost anyone can successfully carve out an online income stream, regardless of the technical or writing background. Getting rich using Google Books is about leveraging the platform's vast library of public domain and freely available content to create profitable opportunities. Begin by identifying a niche with demand, such as self-help, history, or classic literature. Research what people are interested in buying or learning about. Use keyword research tools to find trends and profitable topics within your chosen niche. Access Google Books and search for titles in the public domain. Public domain books are free to use and republish because their copyright has expired. Look for texts that align with your niche. Focus on works with timeless value or universal appeal. Download the public domain content. If the book is available for free, download the PDF or plain text version. Verify the copyright status to ensure the content is indeed in the public domain. Revamp and modernize the content. Edit the language to make it more accessible and engaging for modern audiences. Add value by including illustrations, summaries, annotations, or even related worksheets and exercises. Design a professional book cover and format the text for ebook and print publishing. Use platforms like Canva or hire a designer for an attractive, eye-catching cover. Ensure the formatting is compatible with platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Create an account on a self-publishing platform such as KDP or Lulu. Upload your revamped book, ensuring you optimize the description, keywords, and categories to attract potential buyers. Price your book competitively to maximize sales. Promote your book using social media, email marketing, and targeted ads. Create engaging posts or short videos on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram to showcase your book's value. Offer limited-time discounts or bundle it with other products for increased appeal. Expand your reach by creating audiobooks or translating the content into other languages. Use platforms like ACX to turn your book into an audiobook or work with translators to target international markets. Reinvest your profits into scaling. Use the earnings from your first book to publish additional titles or enhance your marketing efforts. Diversify your portfolio by exploring other niches and content types, such as guides, workbooks, or collections. Monetizing Google Books involves creative strategies to leverage its vast repository of free and public domain content. Here are some methods to turn Google Books into a source of income. Google Books can serve as a research tool to identify popular books or topics that align with your niche. Once identified, you can promote these or similar books through affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. For example, create blog posts, video reviews, or curated reading lists with affiliate links. Each purchase made through your links earns you a commission. Pair this strategy with niche-specific content to attract the right audience. Many public domain books available on Google Books can be repurposed into audiobooks. Audiobooks are increasingly popular due to their convenience for busy listeners. By recording high-quality narrations of these texts, you can sell them on platforms like Audible or your website. Tools like Audacity for recording and ACX for publishing make this process accessible even for beginners. Offering these audiobooks in multiple languages can also expand your reach. Public domain books are a treasure trove for creating unique content. You can repurpose the material into blog posts, ebooks, guides, or even video scripts. For example, turn a classic self-help book into a series of blog posts offering actionable advice. Alternatively, use the content to create educational YouTube videos, leveraging trending topics or historical insights to attract viewers and monetize through ads and sponsorships. The knowledge within Google Books can be transformed into online courses. For instance, take a public domain book about business, translate its principles into actionable lessons, and build a course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Supplement the course with modern examples, visual aids, and interactive assignments to add value. You can take a public domain book, modernize its language, and add features like illustrations, annotations, or summaries. These updated editions can be sold on platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, as ebooks or print-on-demand physical books. A well-designed cover and an optimized product description will help attract buyers. Extract inspirational quotes or thought-provoking excerpts from books in the public domain and use them to create engaging social media posts. Pair these posts with affiliate links to similar books or related products. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are especially effective for sharing such content. Create a blog dedicated to reviewing or summarizing books in a specific niche, such as personal development or historical fiction. Use Google Books for research and generate revenue through affiliate links, ads, or sponsored posts. Over time, this blog can become a trusted resource and attract a loyal audience. If you create unique interpretations or adaptations of public domain books, such as children's storybooks or illustrated versions, you can license your work to publishers, educators, or app developers. Collaborations with other creators can also amplify your reach and revenue. By exploring these methods, you can turn Google Books into a versatile tool for generating multiple streams of income. The key lies in creativity, consistent effort, and understanding your target audience's preferences. One inspiring success story involves an entrepreneur who turned public domain books into a thriving ebook publishing business, demonstrating the power of resourcefulness and creativity. This individual, with no prior experience in writing or publishing, discovered the treasure trove of public domain books on Google Books. Realizing the potential to monetize timeless works, they started by focusing on classic self-help and motivational titles like Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill and The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. Their strategy was simple yet effective. First, they downloaded the public domain texts and gave them a modern makeover by updating the language to make it more relatable for today's readers. They added value by including summaries, action plans, and inspirational quotes as supplementary materials. With no design background, they used free tools like Canva to create professional-looking covers. To market the revamped books, they turned to Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP). By optimizing the product descriptions with relevant keywords and leveraging the "Look Inside" feature, they captured the interest of potential buyers. They priced their books affordably, making them accessible while still yielding a healthy profit margin. To boost visibility, they ran low-cost Amazon ads targeting keywords like personal development and success books. They also promoted their books on social media, sharing motivational excerpts and driving traffic to their Amazon listings. Over time, their portfolio expanded, with dozens of titles generating passive income every month. This entrepreneur's most powerful strategy was diversification. Beyond ebooks, they turned popular titles into audiobooks using narrators from platforms like ACX. They also bundled books into themed collections, creating higher-value offerings that appealed to avid readers. Within 2 years, this side hustle evolved into a full-time business, earning 5-figure monthly income consistently. Their story is a testament to how anyone, regardless of technical skills or writing expertise, can use platforms like Google Books and KDP to create sustainable income streams. This success highlights the importance of identifying a niche, adding value to existing content, and leveraging accessible tools to turn an idea into a profitable venture. It's a blueprint anyone can follow to turn free resources into significant financial rewards. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which of these strategies to monetize Google Books do you find most exciting or practical? Have you tried any of them, or do you have ideas of your own? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd be thrilled to read and respond to them. From passive income ideas to creative online business strategies, there's something for everyone. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest content.